Alright guys, so we're doing again, new week, new donation. Thank you for everybody who helping me. Thank you for the person who is doing this video. Look what we doing. Check this out. We're going on the street. These guys cook food. This is in Africa, in Ethiopia. They cook the food at home and then they going and they just giving to the poor people in Africa. Okay, so watch the video to the end. It's going to take you only 3 minutes. Think about what you have, appreciate for everything in life, be happy and be grateful for the family, friends, health, love, and everything you have. Thank you and goodbye.
ሰጥተሽ ብቻሽ ይሻላል። እዛ ጋር
Kind of